Good morning, class. I want to wish you a belated Happy Unicorn Day, which was last Wednesday. I hope you all can celebrate that Unicorn Day today or whenever you're watching this video. I want to review a couple things using the unicorn regarding slope and then looking at the IXL graphs, because there's things on the IXL graph that can be a little trickier than the graphs Ms. Hoffman and I give you. The first thing is, if the IXL graph is asking you to find slope, you might need to look for slope in two different spots, just to make sure that the line itself is passing exactly through a corner. Sometimes it looks like it's a corner, or because we're on the screen, it's hard to tell. So here I'm going to pick a spot right here and pretend that's a corner, and I'm going to count up until I hit the next corner. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Up 4 over 1. But I'm not sure if that's right, so I'm going to try it again. Up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Wait, that doesn't work out. So that's why I tried two spots, so that I can, if I get it wrong and it doesn't line up, that I can make sure that it goes directly through a corner. So let's try that again. Now it doesn't matter where I start, just that I start in an exact corner. Like here is an exact corner, down here probably is. That's why I tried two spots. So let's start here and see where it takes us. So we're going to count up 1, 2, 3 over 1. So that's 3 over 1. We'll try it one more time just to be sure. Up 1, 2, 3 over 1. Yep, the same thing happened. So we know the slope is 3 over 1, or we can write that as 3. The next thing I want to review with you is how to take the the equation and graph it, but we need to make sure we're counting correctly. So there's one mistake that we have been making lately. A lot of people have been doing this correctly. They're putting the b at 1, because this is our b, and they're counting up. But when they're counting up, they're not counting up 9. They're putting the graph at 9. But that means rise of 9 over 1. So if we start at 1, we really have to go all the way up to 10. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, 9 is up here because we started at 1 over 1. So make sure that you don't go up to the number. You need to make sure you count them when you lay your graph down. Now the last thing I want to talk about here is making sure that if the numbers are going up by 10 and over by 10, that you understand that's the same thing as going up by 1 over by 1. So we can see that this graph, if the unicorn's on the side, is going up, so it's a positive slope. But then when we count, if we start here at 30 and we go up 1, 2, 3, or 10, 20, 30, up 3 is the same thing as up 30, over 2. Make sure you write your slope down here as 3 over 2. Some of us have been reversing it, and we've been doing run over rise, 2 over 3, but that's not correct. It's always rise followed by run to the right. Have a good unicorn day.